Every successful product you see has something in common: it's been through top-notch quality control. Focus Softnet brings a powerful quality control module to monitor standards, detect variances, and enforce compliance, ensuring only high-quality products reach your customers. Our quality control module streamlines your inspection and testing processes, from raw material to finished goods. It allows you to set up quality standards, track testing results, and maintain compliance, all in one place. The system empowers you to define and enforce quality standards across all production stages, with customized checks for raw materials, in-process manufacturing, and finished goods, ensuring every product meets your exact benchmarks and compliance needs. It lets you seamlessly build inspections for every stage of production. Use the system to schedule inspections, assign tasks to your team, and attach comments or photos while ensuring thorough, well-documented quality checks at every step. Inspection results can be recorded directly in the quality control system. It captures all the test results, whether pass or fail, and helps you track any defects in real time. The system automatically flags any product that fails to meet quality standards for review. You can manage nonconformities by creating corrective actions and assigning them to the relevant teams. This ensures no defect goes unchecked. Generate comprehensive reports that give you insights into your quality control process. These reports allow you to analyze trends, track improvements, and ensure compliance with industry standards. Our quality control module is flexible, scalable, and built for dynamic business environments. You can customize inspections, set test parameters, and generate detailed reports effortlessly. And with seamless API integration, real-time analysis from conversational AI, and forecasting powered by predictive AI, your quality control stays proactive and future-ready. To learn more about how the quality control module can benefit your business, visit www.focussoftnet.com.